At Hunt Forest Group, our skilled service team ensures that each John Deere tractor receives the required care. The expert check is more than simply an inspection, it's a commitment to maintaining your equipment to ensure it's field ready. Every expert check follows a thorough plan to ensure nothing is missed. Each machine has a structured process to identify its key service needs. The expert check covers 140 key points, from engine performance to hydraulic efficiency. All of our workshops have advanced diagnostic tools to help us assess where, detect faults and prevent potential failures.
I'd done an expert check on this machine and found that the fan belt's cracking. So I wrote it down on my expert check, and I've advised the customer to get a new fan belt, and I've spoke to Craig to order me a new fan belt so we can put on this machine to avoid downtime in the future.
By using only genuine John Deere parts, we ensure maximum durability and performance. The whole aim is to extend the working life of the machine in front of us. Continuous training ensures our teams stay ahead of the latest John Deere innovations, delivering the best service possible.
It's not just about checking the machine, it's using our training to make sure everything's running as efficiently as possible.
Every adjustment we make follows John Deere's highest standards, giving owners confidence that their machines are field ready.
Every expert check includes a detailed report giving customers full visibility on the machine's health and our recommended actions. We follow this up with a detailed quote for works to be carried out.
At Hunt Forest Group, our service team is dedicated to keeping John Deere equipment in top condition. Book your expert check today and keep your machine running at its best.